We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MMAT MMTLP Inc. We're going to break down what's going on here within the charts, and not just with MMAT, but also MMTLP. And we're going to break down what's going on here in this consolidation as we see it. It continues to still have strength after hitting this dip area, and it wasn't the only stock trying to go up higher for most of the day. The overall market did as well, and our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator since 11:40 a.m. and from that moment forward, flows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there as you see it. It crossed back down and quickly crossed back up with full strength on 42 vision as well, and call options went up 150% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources, whether stocks are going up or going down in either direction. So here we are with MMAT stock consolidating here, bouncing off the 83-82 cent range, getting back towards 90 cents, and it continues to be a pivotal level of resistance. It keeps on rejecting it every single time. The question mark is, could it break out from it? And also MMTLP, we're going to talk about its resistance and could it break out even further. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 11 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint. They stayed above, and the continuation of strength on 42 vision continued, and within 1 hour, call options went up 100% plus, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MMAT MMTLP Inc. and MMTLP. And as you can see here, it continues to hold above that 450 mark, continues to try to push back up, but it's rejected at the same level that it rejected on Friday, which was $5.20. And we need to talk about how crucial that is moving forward in today's video and what's going on here with MMAT in its consolidation as well, and if the bulls can actually gain some strength and pull this up even higher. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators in the inflow versus outflow, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MMAT stock, MMTLP Inc. It got a bull indicator last week, right? And it actually popped up on Thursday at around 84 cents. The stock came all the way up towards 92 cents. It's rejected 2 times up here, and then now we're sitting sideways, trying to stay above 90 cents, keeps on rejecting that area, but the inflows were above, and for the first time today, the outflows have crossed the midpoint, and we're back below it, guys. The last time the stock was below it, and it had some strength, was when it was staying above 90 cents, popped back up, and all this time, it was having weakness and not being able to go higher because of the fact that even though it went from red to green all that time, it was below the midpoint, and it even tested a new low down here of even 80 cents. So this is critical. This is crucial that we're back below it, and the bulls need to cross back above it here on MMAT. This is important. Now, when you come on over to MMTLP, it's a little bit different. It is fighting to stay above it, and it continues to cross back up even when it crosses below it. It was below it on Friday. A lot of people didn't like seeing this, but it is true. It was below it. It brought itself down all the way to $4 today. If I zoom into the 5-minute, you could see that big drop, and then it opened up, crossed that midpoint, got the bull indicator from 450, which I've talked about, a very important support level, and it took off back to 520. What happened? The inflows slowed down, outflows began again. On the 5-minute, it's crossed. That's why it fell from $5 back down to 480s, and it's ranging here and fighting to stay above it within the volatility, and it rejected at the same resistance level of rejection on Friday. This is becoming evident that it's a huge resistance level, and it is key, and this stock needs to stay above 450. If not, it could retest that $4 area and probably break down even further if inflows don't come back up to push it back up higher. The bulls popped up, and you can see it there. It went from red to green, crossed over at the bell, and it went all the way up here to about a level of 0.79 on the inflows, and the highest point that it hit on Friday was 0.95. So based off the history of the chart, it does have room to go much higher, and when it went all the way up to $6, it hit here on the inflows up towards 3.12. So something to keep in mind. So I'll be watching that support of 450. We definitely want to stay above that, and the resistance is clearly right now 520. And if that is broken through and turned into a support, the next level above that is $6, and then we can start talking about 650 and higher levels as this bull indicator continues to hold and these inflows try to stay above the midpoint. Something to keep in mind here with MMTLP. Now with MMAT, we have here the support being around 88 to 86 cents. We definitely want to see this stay above 85 cents, 88 to 86 if it gets retested. If we can bounce off of it, we want these inflows to pick up here on the 30-minute, and not only that, but also on the 15-minute to hold above, continue that staircase effect, and you could see when those inflows picked up, full transition here on 42 Vision on the 15-minute, hit a dip area, got that bull indicator at 86 cents, and went all the way up to nearly 92 cents. Full transition, and you can see those inflows cross the midpoint, full strength, and it has been green. We want to see that stay like that, pull away from the midpoint, stay above it, pull the 30-minute up with it, and if we could break above 92 cents, the next level is all the way up here towards $1, $1.02 to be more exact, but I'll just round that down to $1. If $1 is accomplished, then the next level would be up towards 105, and then we can start talking about 110. It is under a bull indicator, no bear indicator just yet, but this 90-cent area is a huge resistance, and the inflows need to get back up, guys. Cross that midpoint with full strength to continue the staircase effect from those lows and pushing up higher to new resistance levels. I mean, that level right there was a really quick bounce from around 80 cents all the way up to 92. It's been kind of stuck here in a consolidation. You have MMTLP moving a lot faster and a lot higher, but even though it's moving faster and higher, it continues to reject as well, even though it's in a slight upward trend if you look at it in that channel, but it can't break through that 520 area. That is a huge resistance and needs to be watched as well, and the inflows need to stay above the midpoint, and this specifically needs to break through MMAT through $1, guys. I think that is a significant resistance level just above the 92.90 area, following 110 and so forth. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.